guys, so today I'm going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge. I am scared mainly because the last time I did this I had eyebrows and I also didn't wear as much makeup as I do now, so I'm kind of crapping myself because I feel like this is gonna go really bad. This feels weird already and I actually hate it. So I'm gonna start with primer. I feel like primer is quite easy because you just kind of put this like on your nose. Okay, so gonna go in with foundation. I feel like this is gonna be quite an easy step again. So I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I'm gonna use my Real Techniques buffing brush. So I feel like I just literally didn't put any foundation on. Right, I know I put some on my nose. I hate it. It doesn't feel right. I didn't think this through, did I? Okay, I feel like that's sort of blended, maybe. Okay, I feel like, yeah, I don't know why I'm touching it. It's not gonna help, is it? I use my Collection concealer. That felt wrong. Okay. I mean, that's the inner part of my eye, isn't it? Oh, what's right in my eye? This feels so wrong. I hate it so much. Oh my god. That felt okay. And then I'm gonna powder. I didn't put any concealer on my chin. Or my nose. Okay. Gonna do some contouring. I feel like this part's gonna be kind of easy because like I know kind of where my cheekbone is roughly. Nose contour is gonna be hard though. Didn't think about that, did you, Rachel? Oh, that's quite a lot. Oh god, I need to stop putting more product on the brush. I feel like my face is probably just like really, really tanned right now. This is the thing about this challenge is that like when I do my makeup, I'm basically blind anyway. So I always do a little bit at the bottom and then down the sides. Oh, that felt like it was going like that. Ew, what's my laugh? Okay. This feels really, really wrong and I hate it. And I always do a little bit like over, so it has a little circle. That felt really wrong. Gonna use some of this concealer on my eyelids. Oh, I felt like I just put like a lot on. Right, that feels like it's gone all over my eyes. So I'm gonna use, I'm trying to like, how can I cover the mirror? There we go. I'm gonna use like this color and this color. These shades are very, very pigmented. So I might just take like a little dab of that one. I want to try and do eyeliner. Ooh. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna use more of that shade again because I feel like it. I feel like I should have used a palette that wasn't as pigmented because I just feel like this is my eye. My whole eye is orange. Is that true? Is my whole eye orange? Oh boy. I'm gonna take this one. Is this a bad idea? This is where it's all gonna ruin. It's all gonna mess up now. Is this eyeliner even working? Oh, this is a dodgy eyeliner. Okay, this one seems a bit better. That feels okay because it feels close to my lash line. I'm gonna wait to do the wing because I feel like I'm not ready. Oh. Oh, heck. That felt wrong. That one felt wrong. Oh. Is that the end of my eye? Yeah. Okay. Now for the wing. Okay. I don't know how. That felt horrible. scared. I know that was wrong. That's my eye in there. Oh, that's wrong. It's all wrong. I just know. I can tell. And my plan is to just use like really big lashes to try and disguise everything. I feel like doing stuff around your eyes when you can't see is very dangerous. Oh, holy shit. I felt that go on my nose. Did that not just go on my nose? Oh my god, it is. Hold on. Oh. Hold on. If I just... Oh. Whilst I'm waiting for my eyelash glue to dry, I think I'll try and attempt my eyebrows. This is where, if it looks good right now, then this is where it's all gonna just go to shit, really. Oh, I'm scared. I don't like it. If I had eyebrows, this would be so much easier, but oh. Let's try and stick the lashes on. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Well, that's wrong. I can feel that. That's like in my actual eye crease. Where's my eyelash gone? So this mascara is going on the bottom. Oh. Oh, God, this is actually horrible. Okay, that's enough of that. And on here. You know, I usually put way too much highlighter on. But I don't really care today. I overline the shit out of my lips, so this is going to be a problem. Okay, I'm going to use lip gloss over the top. Okay, I think I'm done. I think that's everything. Oh. Oh. That's not even that bad. I mean, the eyelashes are hanging off. And I mean, the eyebrows aren't very good. Oh, this side's had a bit too much filler. Oh, I put highlighter here. I'm not mad at it, you know? Wow, I honestly thought this was gonna be so bad. Here's a little close-up of what I look like. Oh yeah, that's where I got the mascara on my eye. Too much filler. This eyeliner's a bit bad. And obviously the brows are... Don't know what was going on over here. That is my no mirror makeup challenge. I honestly thought it would be so much worse. So if you guys want me to do more challenges in the future, let me know, because it's just actually really fun to do. If you guys enjoyed the video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below if you guys are new. If you would like to see more of these types of videos, then obviously let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys have an amazing day with whatever you are doing, and I will see you in my next video.